For the Projectile Lab Part 2, you need to start out with your purpose and your diagram. The purpose you can get off of the web page if you were not here for the planning day, or you should already have it written down if you were involved in the planning sessions. Diagram is just like for Part 1. You're going to just draw a quick sketch of your materials that you have over here. Now in your procedure, the very first thing that you're going to need to do is to find the height of your ramp. And exactly like we did in Part 1, I've measured the height from the floor to the edge of the counter, and then from the counter up to the edge of the ramp. And because I am using the same setup that I did in Part 1, I have those measurements right here. So your height, your dy, is going to be this number, 1.213 meters. Now, not every group has the exact same setup from Part 1 and Part 2, so you can't just copy that number. If you're getting your information from the video, that's your height. If you performed Part 1 in the classroom with your group, your Part 1 height will probably be different than this one here. But that's the height that you are going to use as your makeup. Now remember, you're going to use that height then to calculate for the time. Be sure that you are double checking yourself, that you are calculating your time correctly. Don't forget your square root. And then once you have the time, you're going to plug that into equations after you've taken a couple more measurements. Once you have your height and time recorded, go on to the second video so that you can do the remaining part of your lab.